Route 1. From ISKCON Temple to Nature's Lap by 5 Elements. Proceed straight from ISKCON Temple towards Yeshwantpura. On your left is Metro Green Line. On the right you'll find Orion Mall and World Trade Center. Pass the Sandal Soap Factory and Metro Cash and Carry. After Yeshwantpura Railway Station, proceed straight towards Yeshwantpura Metro Station and Vaishnavi Sapphire Mall. Cross the Gorgunte Palya Metro Station and Taj Yeshwantpur. Take the flyover next to Peenya Metro Station. Continue straight on the flyover next to Jalahalli Metro Station. Further ahead is IKEA next to Nagsandra Metro Station. After Manjunath Nagar Metro Station, exit the toll plaza near Parle Factory. Exit towards the service road and continue ahead. Cross the Chikka Bidarakallu Metro Station. And under the passing, make a U-turn. Continue ahead and after the metro station, take a left turn. Continue on the same road. At the dead end, take a slight right, again take a left turn ahead. You'll find Nature's Lap by 5 Elements, Nele on the left. Route 2. From BIZ to Nature's Lap by 5 Elements. At BIC Center, proceed straight next to Madhavara Metro Station on your left. Further ahead is Nice Road Junction. Proceed straight next to Jindal Aluminium and Jindal Public School. Cross the Chikka Bidarakallu Metro Station and take a left turn. Continue on the same road. At the dead end, take a slight right, again take a left turn ahead. You'll find Nature's Lap by 5 Elements, Nele on the left.